Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onesmartmedia.com.
Up first this evening, 499 candidates were nominated today, paving the way for what is anticipated to be a hotly contested local government election.
We have team coverage starting in St. Thomas, where in Trinityville, the candidate embroiled in controversy after a fight which went viral was in no talking mood.
Now, here's Romardo Lyons. He has the details.
Here, Jamaica Labour Party candidate for the Trinityville division in St. Thomas Western supplying his supporters with water, but there was not a drip from him all day. After he was nominated, his team indicated that he will not be speaking to the media. An attempt to get a comment here.
Sir Jones. No word for the media, Sir Jones.
This was his first appearance since he was seen in a tussle with a man in a red shirt earlier this week. Now the topic of the day for other candidates, votes. A single vote could determine victory.
If they don't come out and vote, I can never win.
Every single vote is important. Every vote counts.
Except those that are rejected. 981 votes were void across St. Mary, Portland, and St. Thomas in the 2016 local government elections. Let's break down the number. For Portland, 114. For St. Mary, 308. And for St. Thomas, 559 votes.
I think we need workshops so that individuals will know more and be educated and be more knowledgeable about voting. So once we have workshops, that will be good enough.
The fact that our foreparents fought for this right to vote, and something that we must not take for granted.
But these individuals are 100% certain that they can make absolutely no mistake.
Me? If I one ballot that can't spoil, come in know how to put that. Can't spoil. You hear me say? If I one vote and I'm me. If I one labor right, I'm me.
I ensure that I go early. I make my X clearly. Don't take it over where it's not supposed to be.
If you cannot see, take somebody who can see. Because you have blind people, people who cripple, people who don't understand.
And make sure say it beside the requisite area where you want to put it. Whether if you want to put it beside the head or you want to put it beside the bell.
Now, before getting to voting, there were some candidates who wanted to make sure that their messages were clear. Those are the newcomers. Coming in, Nordine McKenzie, JLP candidate for Bath St. Thomas, already has a peeve.
Especially in my division, most people just vote for colors and not policies.
But still,
I am confident enough to win this division this time.
PNP candidate for the Port Morant division, Disdale Smith, says he's been understudying some great politicians. That's why he believes
the interaction that I've had with the people have indicated to me that they are ready for a change. They are tired of under-representation and they're ready for somebody who can really step up to the plate and deliver.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.